So the first thing that we are going to see is how to install Python. Now, if you have a PC at your home, it will be better if you install Python on your PC. So in this video, I'll be explaining how to install Python on a Windows PC. But if you don't have one, in the next video, I will also show you how you can install Python on your Android device. Right? So the first thing for installing Python is you can go to your browser. You can go to any browser you like, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, anyone, and just search over here, download Python. So now when you click on this, the first link that you are going to get is of this https://www.python.org downloads, right? So just click on that link. When you click on this link, you will get to the Python's official page, right? This is the official page of Python. Over here, based on what your operating system is, either Windows, Mac or Linux, you will be given your option. So just click on this yellow button. As soon as you click on that yellow button, Python will start downloading, right? So let us wait for the Python to download right now. Once your Python file is downloaded, you can either open the folder or directly double click over here, right? I will just open the folder for now. So when I open the folder, I can see that Python has been downloaded over here, right? I just have to double click it. Okay, so I will double click it. It will ask me, do you want to run this file? I will click on run. It is a pretty easy installation setup. Okay, so no worries about that. So it is now running in the background. You will wait. See, when this screen comes, make sure that both these options are ticked. Okay, both these options should be ticked, right? Then you can click on install now. Once you click on install now and once you click on that yes option which came just now, it will start installing. So once the installation part is done, you will get this message, or else you might get some message like, do you want to stop the path limit more than 256? Okay, if you get that option, just click that option, then click on close. Okay, so with that, Python is installed. Now how can you check if Python is installed or not? Okay, you can go to your search bar, go to your Windows search bar and just type IDLE. Okay, IDLE, idle, and you should get something over here. If you're getting something over here, it means that Python is installed. If you're not getting this option over here, it means Python is not installed. So you can just click on this. So on clicking on this, you should get something like this. Over here, you can write 2 plus 2 and you will get the answer 4. This means that Python has now been installed on your PC. So thank you.